Welcome, Holy Spirit. We are in your presence. Fill me with your power. Live inside of me. Welcome, Holy Spirit. We are in your presence. Fill me with your power. Live inside of me. You're the living water, never dry fountain, comforter and counselor. Take complete control. You're the living water, never dry fountain, comforter and counselor. Take complete control. Welcome, Holy Spirit.